Hi everyone! Welcome to the Touch Notes tutorial. In this video, we'll introduce split screen. Are you tired of being limited to working on only one note at a time in a note-taking app? The split screen feature can solve this problem. Whether you are taking notes in a meeting or organizing information while studying, you can view and edit the notes at the same time so that you can improve the efficiency. There are many ways to open it. Just choose the one you think is most convenient. You can drag notes directly from the navigation bar to the left or right side of the screen. In Note Searching and Recent Notes, you can drag the note directly to the screen or choose one note, then click Double Open on left or right. You can also click Split Screen in the tool. When you already open to notes, select one side and click the other note. You can switch the note, and you can also double open the same note. You can adjust the layout of the notes on both sides, such as the position, direction, and size of the notes. And finally, drag the dividing line to the edge of the screen to turn off the feature.